Let's draw the triangle. The line that's horizontal and crosses y equals 5 is this line. And then y equals 1 plus x. When x equals 0 for this equation, y will equal to 1. So it crosses this point. And when y equals 5, x will equal to 4. That means here, when x equals 4, it crosses this point. And similarly, y equals 1 subtract x. When y equals 5, x equals minus 4. So this is y equals 1 plus x. And this line is y equals 1 subtract x. They both cross this point. So we can say that, let's assume this is point D and this is A, B, C. So AD equals 5 subtract 1 equals 4, and BD equals CD equals 4. That means AD and BD are equal. So this angle is 45 degrees. And this also is 45 degrees. Therefore, and this is perpendicular. So therefore, the area of triangle ABC equals BC multiply AD divide 2, and that equals 4 plus 4 multiply 4 divide 2 equals 16. Let's assume the store first increased the original price by X%. So after increase, it will be 1 plus X of the original price, and then it lowered the price by X%. So we multiply 1 subtract X, and that equals to 84%. So we solve this equation, we simplify it. The left equals to 1 subtract x squared equals 84%. That means x squared equals 1 subtract 0.84 equals 0.16. So x equals 0.4 equals 40%. Let's assume the total number of points earned by the other 17 members is n, and because the 17 scored no more than 2 points, so n should be smaller than 7 multiplied 2, which is 14. N is a number smaller than 14. And let's assume the total score of the whole team is T. Therefore, n plus 15 equals to the total score multiply 1 subtract 1 over 4 subtract 2 over 7 scored by Alex and Brittany. So Let's simplify this. M plus 15 equals T multiply 3 over 4 subtract 2 over 7, that equals to T multiply 13 over 28. Because n is an integer, this means T multiply 3 over 28 is an integer. So T has to be something divisible by 28. So the smallest T can be is T equals 28. In this case, T n plus 15 equals T multiply 3 over 28 equals 13. Now n is a number smaller than 0, so that's not possible. And if T equals 28 multiply 2, then n plus 15 equals 2 multiply 13 equals 26. In this case, n equals 26 minus 15 equals 11, and this one satisfies the problem. Let's look at when T equals 28 multiply 3, n plus 15 in this case equals 3 multiply 13 equals 39, and n equals 39 subtract 15 equals 24. This is larger than 14, so it's not possible. So n should be equal to 11. First, let's draw some additional lines to help solve the problem. We draw lines vertical from A to BC, and that's HA, and D to BC, that's HD, and E to BC, and assume that's HE. And because AD over DC equals 1 over 2, that means the area of triangle ABD equals 1/3 of the area of triangle ABC, because AD is 1/3 of AC, and they share the same height from B to AC. So because ABC is 360, so this is 120. And then because E is the midpoint of BD, therefore HE equals 1/2 HD. And because again DC is 2/3 of AC, that means HD is also 2/3 of HA, so this is multiply 2 over 3 HA. It equals 1/3 HA. So because E is the midpoint of BD, so the area of ABE equals half the area of ABD, and ABD is 120, so that's 60 here. Now the area of BEF over the area of ABF equals HE over HA, because they share the same bottom BF. That means HE over HA is 1 over 3. And we can further write this equation into BEF over triangle BEF plus triangle ABE equals 1 over 3. Now ABE equals 60, so and we move the denominator to the right hand side, we can get triangle BEF equals 1/3 multiply the area of BEF plus 1 over 3 multiply 60. Now we can solve this problem. Triangle BEF equals 30. Because each person has to have at least 2 apples, there are 3 people, so we can subtract 24 by 2 multiply 3. That equals 18. So this becomes the problem of how to distribute the 18 apples to the 3 people. So we abbreviate the 3 people to be A, B, C. And for A, we can choose any number from 0 to 18. So when A is 0, B can choose anything from 0 to 18 as well. So that's 19 choice for B. And C will get whatever is left. Now if A get 1 apple, then B is left with 17 apples to choose from. So B can get from 0 to 17 apples. That's 18 choices. And C will get again whatever is left from B. When A gets 2 apples, B is left with 16 apples to choose from, and B can get from any number from 0 to 16. So that's 17 choices for B, and then C again get anything that's left. So we can continue this process till A get 18 apples. And that's only one choice for B. B can only get 0 and C get 0 as well. So that's only one choice. So this is a summation from 19 to 1. That means their sum is 19 plus 1 divided 2 multiply 19 equals 190.